Hi, my name is Dr. Miquela Rolle, physiotherapist from Paramount Rehab and Fitness, and today I would like to talk to you about stretching and loosening up. You've got it right, you're just too tight. So today let's talk about stretching, why it's important, and 3 simple stretches you can do from the comfort of your own office chair, whether that be at the office or at home. So, stretching. We all have heard it's good, but we don't know exactly why. Why do people say it's better for you to stretch? Well, today I want to talk to you about it. It's simple. Stretching helps loosen up your muscles. It helps to loosen you up. It helps to improve with flexibility. It helps to improve with range of motion, whether that be of any joint that you're stretching. And it also helps to decrease pain. It helps to decrease stiffness and tightness wherever you may have it. And it's so important that we remember this, because these things, if done consistently, if you're stretching consistently, you should have improved circulation, and therefore you should also reduce your risk of injury. So, like I promised, today we're going to talk about lower back pain. Now, I know lower back pain is something that from time to time everyone, or just about close to everyone in the population, may experience. And it's because of a myriad of reasons. But one is because we sit absolutely too long. We sit very long at the computer. We sit long at driving. We sit long at seminars, workshops, at work. And so today I want to encourage you all not just to, of course, produce your work on time, but stretch and move around as much as you can. At the office here at Paramount, we have a saying, move it before you lose it. And that just goes to say you have to get up every 20 to 30 minutes. It's very important for your joints. It's good to reset. It's good to move around and to get the blood flowing, whether that be just going to the coffee to get coffee, whether that means to get some water, walk around the office, walk around your home. It is going to be great, and the benefits outweigh the risks. So, like I said, lower back pain sometimes occurs just in the lower part of your back. Sometimes it can radiate up or it can radiate down. And it's important, like we are saying, to stretch, to loosen up, to make the blood flow a bit better, and to restart and elongate some of those tight muscles. Are you ready? Are you ready to learn some of the things that you can implement right away? If that's you, then I have a couple tricks up my sleeve that I'm going to share with you today. So, for those who've had lower back pain or experiencing it now, stretching the lower back, you can do it right at the comfort, like I said, of your own chair, whether that be at home or the office. What you want to do is go ahead and just bend forward as much as you can, leaning forward, almost like you want to touch your toes. You don't have to move your chair at all. You don't have to move. And what this does is it stretches the lower part of your back, the part that mostly gets tight when sitting for a prolonged time. You can hold this here for about 10 to 15 seconds. You can even increase it as you feel a little bit more looser. You can go up to 20 to 30 seconds. Come on, let's do it one more time. Ready? Come on down. And let's hold it. And like I said, this helps reduce stiffness right in the lower part of the back, sometimes that gets tight after sitting for a long time. That's stretch number 1. Stretch number 2, we're going to do for the leg and the hip. A lot of times when you sit long, the hip muscles can get compressed, they can feel tight, they can feel restricted. This one is for that muscle that is right at the back of your lower back and into your hip. What you're going to do is a figure 4. We call it a figure 4. You're just going to cross one leg over the other. What you want to do is try to push down on that knee. And for extra bonus, if that's too easy for some of you who already stretch, then I have something else for you. You lean forward, keeping your chest up, and again, you want to hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. As you continue to do it, then you can increase up to 20 to 30 seconds. All right, let's do it. Very good. And let's switch to the other side. Absolutely good. And just push down and lean forward, again keeping your chest up. Again, this is for the leg, the hip, and the lower back muscle that tends to get tight with people who have low back pain, but also for those who sit at the computer or who sit for a prolonged time. Good. Excellent. So that's stretch number 2. Stretch number 3 is a hamstring stretch, which is the muscle behind your leg. All you're going to do is extend the leg straight out and then let the heel go to the floor, toes up to you, and then you're going to lean forward, keeping your chest up. Good. Hold that there again for the same amount of time, 10 to 15 seconds. And after doing this for a while, it will become easier. You can go up to 20 to 30 seconds. And please stretch the 2 sides of your body. We don't want one side getting jealous of the other, right? Okay, good. Hold it. And you should feel a nice stretch behind the leg. A lot of times people who sit for a long time, their hamstring muscles are completely tight. They're very tight. And that then pulls on the lower back. And a lot of times people don't realize it, but stretching the hamstring will definitely help loosen up that pain in the lower back and loosen up those muscles. All right, so let's repeat. Let's go over. Let's review those exercises, those stretches that you can do to loosen up those lower back muscles. The first one was a forward bend. Forward bend. And again, you're going to hold it 10 to 15 seconds, anywhere from 20 to 30 when you get improved on your ability. Then the second one was a figure 4. And then the third one was a hamstring stretch, sitting right at their table. Thank you so much for those who participated and joined along with me. Again, stretching is so important. You need to loosen up because you're absolutely too tight and it may be causing some of that pain in your lower back. Again, thank you again. My name is Dr. Miquela Rolle, physiotherapist from Paramount Rehab and Fitness. I hope you enjoyed this video.